Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's sets tutorial, we will learn how to create Google Form questions on a mobile device. To get started, open Google Forms in your browser. Type Google Forms and click on the first link. As you can see, we have successfully opened Google Forms. From here, the interface is very similar to the desktop version. Start by adding a title. Then add a question of your choice, along with answer options. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can choose different question types. You can select short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down. By scrolling down, you can toggle the required option, so respondents cannot skip the question. Once finished, click the arrow icon in the top right. Then click on Publish. While mobile editing is slightly limited, compared to desktop, it is still effective. For creating or updating forms on the go, we have learned how to create and edit Google Forms using a mobile phone, making it easier to manage forms anytime and anywhere. Thanks for watching. On this prayer to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.